Hi, my name's Anna. I'm with Geo Marketing Consultant from Charlotte, North Carolina. We're doing this customized video about how you can beat out your competition online. And since I don't want to waste any more of your time, if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how I can help you bring on new customers, give me a call. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics I want to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name so that it's also considered to be content that is readable by the search engine. So let's see what this picture is saved as. Seaside Building, Charleston, Custom Home Builders. Charleston, Kiowa. Okay, that's perfect. Custom Home Builders, Kiowa, or Charleston. Those are some keywords that people use to search for your services online. Content in our front page should be typically around 1,500 to 2,000 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. If we look at your page word count, we can see that your front page has 41 keywords only. 41 words, which proves what we usually come across. And that content is something that web designers overlook. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you need to make sure that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that is unique on your front page so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. The second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. So I did a Google search here. I put remodeler, Charleston, South Carolina, because I know you do a lot of renovations and remodeling work. So if we go below the map section, the three listings here are called the Google Map Pack. Your top competitors in this case is Commonwealth Contracting, Charleston Bath Experts, and Cantor Construction. You're going to get about 20% of your total calls by being in this spot, and you do that by using citations, which are essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. We have a special tool here at the agency that tells us how many citations you have compared to your biggest competitors. So what would be tip number 2? In order for you to beat out your competition and be on the map pack, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, get in those same directories, and then add a little bit more, because that is kind of what matters the most as how to rank your company here in the maps. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. Backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps. It's this section here without the ads. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. By using a tool that we have here at the agency, we're going to see all the different websites that are currently linking to you. And in order to truly beat out your competition, and you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as possible, you want to get in the same places that your competition's in and in more places so that you're completely overtaking them. This tool shows us that you have 4 backlinks giving you 7 keywords and bringing you 26 people on average to your website monthly. Now, if we take a look at your competition, your biggest competitor is Citadel Enterprises in the Google search results. So let's check out Citadel Enterprises website. I'm going to plug in here in the tool. He's got 348 backlinks, giving him 290 keywords, bringing him approximately 362 people to his website monthly. That's a lot of potential projects that you're missing out on. So what we can do is we can click on his keywords here and we can start picking those that are relevant to you and which ones you want to go after, because as I said earlier, in order to beat out your competition online, you just got to rank for more keywords and in higher places like them. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring you some new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you. And just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how you did on the video, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for your time and I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon.